Claude Code lives in an interactive terminal. You can't just script that from your own code. Its print mode is one shot, and you lose all the live progress in between. Claude-terminal-bridge fixes that. It drives the real interactive terminal straight from Python. Under the hood, it spawns Claude inside a pseudo-terminal and reads everything it draws. That raw output is a mess of escape codes and cursor moves, so it feeds the bytes through a virtual terminal and gets back clean, plain text. Now, one call does the whole thing. Open a session, send a prompt, get the full reply as a string. Or stream it and watch the answer arrive piece by piece, exactly as the terminal renders it. It even knows when Claude is finished by watching the cursor settle back onto the prompt. And it uses the login you already have. No extra key, just to drive the tool you already use every day. It stays small and honest. 2 modules, clear typed errors, 1 session per process. A clean Python API wrapped around the terminal you already trust. Claude-terminal-bridge. Install it, import the session, and start driving Claude from your own code.